Hey folks, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the vibrator on iPhone 4. The first thing you must do is to turn off the iPhone and unscrew the two screws on the bottom of the iPhone. Now slide the glass back up carefully and remove it. Then you must locate the vibrator assembly in the upper right hand corner of the iPhone 4 and remove the two screws. And gently lift the old vibrator assembly out of the device. Place the new one in carefully and replace the two screws that hold it in place. The last thing is to place back the glass of the iPhone 4 and lighten the two screws. Thanks for watching guys, my video for iPhone 4 vibrator replacement. Please like and subscribe if you want. Bye bye.